Dear all, this is the lecture 5 of this C programming. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the MCQ based on the data types and operators and introduction of the C. I think it is MCQ will be based on the lectures which we have discussed till now. So, we will be discussing MCQ in this lecture. Now, if we talk about I have given you the one question in the lecture 4 for the assessment to yourself. I have given you the question that is write the names of operators that have right to left associativity. So, I have given you the that is I have given you how to remember the right to left associativity, which are the operators which have right to left associativity. These operators I think were the three operators were there. I have given you the rule to remember the right to left associativity which operators are having. We were having the rule that is UTA means U turn always, U for unary operator, then we were unary operator, then we were having T for ternary operator and A for assignment operator. So these three operators were there which were having the associativity right to left. So this was the answer for you. Now if we talk about the our MCQ number 1, that is if we सी लैंग्वेज was developed by सी लैंग्वेज किसने डेवलप करी so I think we have seen that in that is we have seen the names of Dennis Ritchie, James Gosling, Vizrane Stotsap, Guido Van Rossum. These are the four options here. In the first lecture we have discussed that Dennis Ritchie was the person who has developed the C language. So this is the answer number A option is the correct option. Then we can ask computer G what is the answer correct answer. So डेनिस रिची इज़ द करेक्ट आंसर. कंप्यूटर जी ने भी हमको बता दिया कि डेनिस रिची ही करेक्ट आंसर है. Then if we move on the second question is that is C language was developed in which year? What is the year in which the C language was developed? So the options are 1970, 1972, 1975 and 1980. So we have already discussed that 1972 should be the correct answer. Then we can ask from our computer what is the answer correct answer. So computer G is also saying that 1972 is the correct answer. Now, if we move on the MCQ third, C was developed at which place the C was developed? We are having the options that is Dell Laboratories, IBM, Microsoft, MIT. So we have already discussed in the that is first lecture that is C was developed in the Well Laboratories. So the correct answer is also that is Well Laboratories is the correct answer. Now if we move on the MCQ 4, then MCQ 4 is a C language is mainly considered as options are high level language, middle level language, low level language and assembly language. So if we talk about the C language, C is having both type of characteristic. It is C having some characteristics of high level language and C is having some characteristics of low level language. So we can say that C is the middle level language. So at last, final answer we will consider what the computer is saying, which answer is correct. So we can ask from computer G what is the correct answer. So computer G is also saying that correct answer is middle level language because it is having both type of characteristics. Now if we move on the that is MCQ 5. So MCQ 5 is that is main purpose of developing C language was. Why we have developed the C language? What was the main aim? So he has given the four options. चार ऑप्शन दिए हैं that is database management, system programming, that is operating system, web development, artificial intelligence. So I think main aim of developing the C was or develop for developing the Unix operating system. So we can go for system programming. So correct answer should be the system programming. That is कंप्यूटर जी क्या बोलते हैं, कौन सा आंसर सही होना चाहिए? दैट इज सिस्टम प्रोग्रामिंग इज द करेक्ट आंसर. नाउ इफ वी मूव ऑन द MCQ 6, that is which of the following is not feature of C language? So we are having portability. Portability means C can be, we can run C in any computer. So portability. Structured programming means we can divide the program into blocks. And object oriented programming, are, I think, C++ and Java. And if we talk about the rich library, so in C we are having various of mathematics functions, that is power function, and we can do a lot of things in the C. So C is also having the rich library. So I think there C is having three characteristics. So question is asked that which of the following is not a characteristics? So according to my mind, the we should go on this option, C option, that is object oriented programming is not the characteristic of the C language. We can ask the correct answer from computer G. It is what computer G say. So computer G is also saying that correct answer is object oriented programming. If we move on, MCQ 7. So MCQ 7 is C language is most widely used in. So where we what are the applications of the C language where we use the C language? So if we talk about the embedded systems means where we combine software and hardware. That is, we can say that traffic light system. We can combine the various sensors like temperature sensors. OS means operating system. I think I have told you C was developed mainly for Unix operating system. If we talk about compiler development, we can compile different programs. So I think we are all at all the places we can use the C language. So I think from my choice we should go for the all the above options. So at all the above we can apply the C language. Now we can see what is the correct answer by computer G. So computer G is also agree with the all the above options. Now we can move on the MCQ 8. That is MCQ 8 is entry point of C program is. So from where the program C program start. So first option is start, second is main, then begin, then execute. So I think we can execute may not be there. Now if we talk about the C language, then in the starting after adding the header files we write int main or void main, something like this. So this is the starting of the function, any function. We are starting the function. So I think we should go for the B option. Now we can ask from computer G what is the correct answer. So correct answer is the main. Main is the starting point of any program in C. Now if we talk about the MCQ number 9, in MCQ number 9 question is that C program must have at least, I think I have told you, the four options are one function, one variable, one header file, one printf. If we do not want to print, then we will not include this thing. Then it is not, if we are not having including anything, then any function, then it is not necessary. Sometimes variable is also not necessary. So I think whatever we are writing inside any function. So one function is compulsory in the C language. देखते हैं कंप्यूटर जी का आंसर क्या है. कंप्यूटर जी का आंसर भी वन फंक्शन आ रहा. सेम थिंग इफ वी मूव ऑन द that is MCQ number 10. So MCQ 10 is which function is used for formatted input. If we talk about the scanf is used for giving the input by the user. With the help of scanf we can write the percentage d for integer, then percentage c for character, percentage f for float. Then this is for output. So this we will not go for it. This is only for strings. This is also for output and for string. So if we talk about the formatted input, I think we should go with the scanf, that is A option. कंप्यूटर जी से पूछते हैं क्या आंसर आता है, सो कंप्यूटर जी इज सेइंग दैट ए ऑप्शन इज द करेक्ट आंसर. देन if you talk about the what is the formatted output, then I have told you this is the input, this is for input, and this is for output. If we talk about formatted output, so inside the printf we can use the percentage d for the int, we can see use the percentage c for character, we can use the percentage f for the float, but here we are having only the for strings. So formatted output is function is printf. So we can check the answer, that is printf is the correct answer. We can move on the MCQ 12. MCQ 12 is which of the following is the variable name in C. So if we talk about the rules of the variable name in C, we cannot use the integer in initial place. Now, if we talk about the that is special characters, we cannot use the special characters. Then we cannot use the keywords. Now, if we talk about this or B option, we can use the underscore and we can use the characters. So, according to the rules, we should go for the B option, that is underscore value. We can ask the correct answer from computer जी. Computer जी क्या बोलते हैं, इसका सही जवाब दीजिए. That is B is the correct answer. Now, if we move on, that is MCQ 13, that is keyword used to define the constant in a variable. Constant variable is, so first option is constant, define, const, final. So I think we write the for declaring anything constant. Constant means we will not change. It will not change. So we write the const here in C. So I think we should go with the C option. So C is the correct answer. Now, so MCQ 14 is which of the following is not a valid data type in C. So we are having the options, that is int we use for the integers, float we use for the real numbers, and character we use for the characters, char we use for the characters, but we do not use boolean in C. So I think this is not the valid data type in C. So we can see the correct answer is boolean is not a valid data type in C. Now MCQ 15 is the format specifier for double. Now if we talk about this percentage f, this is for the float. If we talk about the percentage d, this is for int. If we talk about the percentage c, this is for character. So we can go with this option, that is we can go with this option, that is LF, percentage LF. So percentage LF should be the correct answer here in this case. So the correct answer is percentage LF. Now, if we talk about MCQ 16, MCQ 16 is which operator has highest precedence. So, if we talk about the parenthesis, and parenthesis is having highest precedence in all of them. If we, this is the arithmetic operator multiplication. Then increment is again that is a unary operator. If we talk about this and logical, this is a conditional operator. Now this from all of the operators, this parenthesis is having highest precedence. So this can change the rule. So we should go with the parenthesis option. We can check the answer. So parenthesis is having highest precedence here. Now MCQ 17 is saying that what will be printed. So this is the programming is given, that is a is equal to 5. Now what has been given, plus a means pre-increment. So pre-increment will become the a is equal to 6. Now we are multiplying this by 2, then we should have the value of a will be printed as 12. So I think we should go with the option 12. We can ask correct answer from the computer, what is the correct answer. So I think 12 is the correct answer. Now MCQ 18, that is the value of a is given 2, value of b is given 3, and in between we are having the conditional operator. A is also true and b is also true. If both are true, then I think we should have the answer 1. So we can go with the answer 1. Computer से पूछते हैं what is the correct answer. So correct answer is the B option that is 1 is the correct answer. Now, if we talk about the MCQ 19, MCQ 19, what will be the following print? So he has given the x is equal to 4, he has given y is equal to 5, then he is having x, y. It is a bitwise OR operator. So bitwise operator we can, for binary 4 is 100, binary 5 is 101. So we in ORing operator, eh, in case of the OR operator, if we will be having that is 100 and 1001. So if we will add this thing, then I think we will have the 1001. We should have the answer is the correct answer here. The correct answer is, so in question number 19, correct answer will be that is move on 5. Question number 20. So a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, and C is equal to 4. We are having B into C. B into C means 4 into 3. We will have 12. Then B will add 12 plus 2. So I think 14 will come the answer. So that is B option should be the correct answer. Now, if we talk about the MCQ 21, so MCQ 21, that is A is equal to 8. 8 means binary is 100. So we are shift, if we will shift this thing by one place, we will have 100. If we shift this thing by again one place, then we will have 10. So this becomes the 2. So 2 should be the correct answer. So like this we can also calculate this 8 2 square, 2 square. So we will get the 2. So this 2 means A option is the correct answer for this MCQ. So now we can have one question for the assessment. You can assess yourself how much you have learned from this video lecture, and that is lecture number 5. So we are having one question for you. You can answer this question, that is in the comment box. Which of the following is not a feature of C language? Then we are having four options: portability, structured programming, object oriented programming, rich library. So you can answer this question in the comment box, and we will give the answer in the lecture number 6. So this is all about this lecture number 5. So you can, if you like this video, you can share it, you can hit the like button, you can share it with your friends, and you can subscribe this channel. From this channel you will get the English videos also, and you will get the C programming videos. So thank you very much all of you. Thank you so much.